circle is 7 centimeter. Which one has greater area? Okay, so कहूँ what the length of a square. The length of a square is 7 centimeter. Square, all the sides must be equal to each other, and the radius of a diameter of a circle is 7 centimeter. AB is the diameter, and AB is 7 centimeter. The side of the square is 7 centimeter, and the diameter of the circle is 7 centimeter. Which has the greater area? कहाँ एरिया बड़ा हम? ओके, तल देखिए आस ताले यार एरिया बाहर करता यार एरिया बाहर करता हमारे द एरिया फॉर्मूला एरिया ऑफ ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू साइड इंटू साइड और साइड स्क्वायर. So side is given, so area is equal to 7 centimeter square is equal to 49 square centimeter. Okay, so area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So here the diameter is given, we must find out the r. So diameter is equal to 2r implies that 2r is equal to diameter, implies that r is equal to d by 2, diameter divided by 2. So here the diameter is given, so that therefore radius would be 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Clear? So the area of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to implies that pi r square is equal to 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter. Okay, 3.5 and 3.5 is equal to 22 by 7. 3.5 मल्टीप्लाई करते हम 525 312. ओके दुटा अच्छे बुझे 3.5 आ 3.5 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हम आम इजी फर्मुला कौन ये 5 दुटा 25 नहीं जाए जहाँ लास्ट 5 थी 1 से 5 थी तार सेम नंबर को जो तार स्क्वायर करा जाए तार 5 into 5 करदेव 25. ए नंबर तार एक्जाक्टली कौन आफ्टर जो नंबर थी है बुझे कि ताल 3 प्रिसीडिंग नंबर का 4 3 4 जगह 12 फेल आंसर जोड़ा संख्या पर अच्छे 2 नंबर्स पर डिजिट अच्छे डेसिमल 2 दे दियो फेल आंसर 12.25. आम एटा को करदे 22 by 7 इंटू 225 by 100 करदे हम इजी हम आमको डिवाइड करूँ ना कि ओके आस ये 25 डिवाइड कर 25 4 जा ये 25 हो पार 25 4 जा 100 यहाँ कत 9 हम कत 9 हम. ओके तो बर्तमान यहाँ कटि जापर यहाँ 2 रे कटिले 2 यहाँ 2 रे 11 आसो यहाँ 7 कटि जापर न कि 7 7 जा 7 जा 77 by 2 77 कत 11 7 जा 11 7 जा कत 77 by 2 इज इक्वल टू कत हम 2 3 6 1 17 2 16.5 38.5 centimeter square. So which has a bigger greater area? कार greater area यार कहता है 49 है यार कहता है 38. So therefore the square has the greater area than the circle है ना अच्छे हाँ बुझे areas of two circles are in ratio 100:169, then what is the ratio of their area of the radii of the circles. Okay, circles. So there are two circles. Okay. One is there, this one, and the another one is there. Okay. O A is the radius here. Here, suppose O B is the radius. Okay. One is smaller than another one. Okay. The area of the circle is, first one is the ratio of the area. Ratio of the area is 100:169. That means we can write like this: 100 by 169. 100:169 can be written as in 100 by 169. Okay. The area of the circle is, formula is, area of the circle formula is pi r square. Okay. Here the radius can be termed as uppercase r. So the area of the smaller circle A, circle B, circle A can be written as pi r square. Okay. And area of circle A, and area of B, circle B can be written as pi uppercase r square. So as the ratio is 100:169, then we can write like this: pi r square by pi uppercase r square is equal to 100/169. Implies that r square pi r square to 100. Pi r square equal to 100 implies that r square is equal to 100. Pi is multiplied here, in opposite side it is divided. 100 by pi implies that r is would be 100 by pi square root over root. Okay. Is equal to, it can be written as like this: 100 square root by square root of pi. Equation 1. Okay. Then pi, the area of circle, because circle is equal to pi uppercase r square is equal to 169. Okay, 169 implies that uppercase r square would be 169 by pi. 169 by pi implies that uppercase r, radius of the bigger circle, would be 169 by pi square root. বুঝিপারে না এটি আর কাটিয়া গেলে কোণ আর কোণটা করিয়া গেলে স্কোয়ার করিয়া পড়ে implies that it can be written as 169 over root by pi square root. Okay, so this is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. So बर्तन देखिबा 100 square root by pi can be written as 100 square root केते 10 केते 10 because 10 into 10 square root by pi square root is equal to 10 by square root of pi. Okay. এটা লা কোন লা না r small r larger কেন হবে 169 square root by pi square root is equal to 169 का square root হবে 13 into 13 square root by pi square root is equal to 13 by pi square root ହେଲା upper case r ବଡ଼ circle clear. So the ratio is ratio of two circles is equal to କ'ଣ ହେବ ନା 10 is to pi square root. Okay, that can be written as 10 by pi square root divided by 13 by pi square root. Again 10 by pi square root এটা কোন আছে reciprocal है जो it could be reciprocal into pi eliminated. Okay, now 10 by 13 which is written 10 is to 13. So the ratio of the radii would be 10 is to 13. Clear?